Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set calculation settings on Google Sheets. To set calculation settings in Google Sheets, these are the steps that you need to take. First things first, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you want to configure. The next thing to do is to click on File in the top menu. And once you click on File, go ahead and select Spreadsheet Settings from the File menu, which is here. So now that we're here, you're going to have to adjust the calculation settings. So in this settings dialog, just go to the calculation tab, and once you head over to the calculation tab, in the calculation settings, you can configure how often Google Sheets recalculates formats. So the first thing you're going to find is on change. Now on change recalculates formats when the data in the sheet changes. It says this affects how often now, today, rand, and rand between are updated. Then if you click on the drop down menu on change every minute, if you click on that, it recalculates formulas when the data changes and every minute. So if you click on that and you take it to on change and every hour, it recalculates formulas when the data changes and every hour. So choose your preferred option based on how frequently you want the sheet to recalculate. Then once you're done, click on Save Settings to apply your changes. Additional settings for formulas include enabling iterative calculation, which is here. So in the same calculation tab of the spreadsheet settings dialog, you can enable iterative calculation if needed. So you can select this drop down menu. So max number of iterations. So you can set the, if it's on, you can now set the max number of iterations. So set the maximum number of iterations for iterative calculations, and then max changes as well. So set the maximum change between each iteration. And you can of course change the threshold, which is here. So once you're done, go ahead and click on settings. So for custom functions or scripts, ensure that they are set up to handle your recalculation needs. So script can be managed via extensions right there in the top right corner of your screen, and go to app scripts and then head over to app scripts menu. And that's just going to be it. So if you want to manually control when formulas update, you may use specific functions or scripts within Google Sheets to force updates. Ensure cell references in your formulas are correct, and of course use absolute or relative references as needed for your calculations. Now these settings will allow you to control how frequently Google Sheets recalculates formulas and manage iterative calculations, ensuring that your spreadsheet updates as required. So you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.